Why are you laughing? I think it's time we kick this up a notch. Crazy. Hey, that's what I said in the first episode! Nobody asked. Anyway. Good thing I stored up rings. Oh, it's like that! Remember who I said? I didn't want to add him on there. Alright.
You bastard!
Who's here?
This is comfortable.
No. Looks like someone needs anger management class. Lesson 1. Beat the anger out of ya! No, 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 no! Wait. Wait. Looks like it's over. Chaos!